Hi everybody, this is Kaushik Ganguli from Minded EduServe and we are bringing you the video of the day today. So today I'm going to be speaking on a very basic skill which all of us need but at times we lack it, and that is speaking skills. Speaking skills is something which we see from childhood. Not all of us can get into a debating team or an extempore team or a just a minute team. So this is something which all of us do not get the chances, but yet all of us, if we want to do well as students, if we want to do well as corporate managers, we need to learn speaking skills very thoroughly. So speaking also allows you to show your thoughts, to articulate your emotions and to create an impression, carving a niche for yourself so that you can be marked out. A good speaker will get a fast track promotion. A good speaker will have a better chance of becoming a senior manager. A good speaker will also have a good chance of becoming an entrepreneur. So, what are the common mistakes that people do while speaking? First of all, people do not come well prepared and they speak at length on every aspect on the subject and ramble all over the place. So once you ramble all over the place, your speech automatically becomes weak, ineffective and unfocused. Another thing is that people do not focus on an introduction which is very powerful. Start off with an explosive statement, a chance remark which will lead the persons to feel that okay, this is something interesting. Hey, let's watch. Apart from that, the body of the speech is also something important because that consists of your research. So the best way to learn is to research and research. In the information age, it's not difficult. Then comes the ending. Once you decide that you have had enough, once you have made your point, don't belabor the point. End immediately. Once you end immediately, you make the same impact as an Elvis Presley or a Michael Jackson while singing a song. People think, this guy is a rock star. What else do people make mistakes about? They go on rambling. They just feel that okay, we can just go on talking, and people will think, yaar, kab khatam kar raha hai? When is this guy going to end? How to be a good speaker? 1. Research till you have all the information. If you're not sure of something, don't say it, but omit that. Practice in front of your mirror. Practice with a voice recorder, practice with your phone till you are inch perfect. Practice the introduction, practice the ending, and the middle will take care of itself. Also, dress properly. Fix a role model. While growing up, my own role models for speaking, for acting, were people like Mithun Chakravarti, John Travolta. I copied them consciously all the time. Also, raise your voice, modulate your voice. So you can be very loud if you want to, or you can be soft spoken. You can speak very fast if you want to, but you can also speak slow. Got that? Absolutely. So that is the way that you can be a good speaker, make an impact. So what is the final solution? The final solution is to realize that speaking is the first step to your corporate passport. Once you get that passport, believe me, you can literally, like the Pet Shop Boys sang, you can pass the test to beat the rest. I hope that was informative as well as useful. Do keep watching our channel. Like, share, comment and subscribe. And watch out for our next video, which the countdown has already started. Thank you.